Hey guys, Angel here from the Bullish Bears team, and I am making the watch list video for tomorrow, the 28th of August. I actually already went ahead and picked out the stocks while I was at work, but it's been a little bit since I have made a video, so I just wanted to make a video for you guys. You can see why I'm picking what I'm picking, especially with the market being such a nightmare right now. As you can see right here, it's just been up and down and up and down and up and down. And it's like in this range between these moving average lines, and it rejected off the 9 today, closed below it. And you can see it's already starting to potentially head down to test this 200. So we will just have to wait and see where it goes, but that makes it really not that fun to trade. So we'll see what happens. So I picked RRD because you can see it's sort of riding this 9, and it's this teeny candlestick off of a 9, so that is a potential buy signal. And you can see that the moving averages they were all stuck together, but they're starting to widen in a bullish widen, I guess. I don't know what the word would be. But then you can see here on the hourly, cup and handle. So if it can get above 233, this high from Friday, then it's got room all the way up to this 200. And just be aware of whole and half dollar amounts. So it's a cup and handle on daily. If price can break 233, watch for 200 SMA resistance. All right, so let's look at GORO. And this one, it was just busting through all the moving averages, closed above it, and you can see it sort of forming this cup pattern on the daily. Let's look at the hourly. You can see a big cup and handle on the hourly. See, when I put this on, it was like up here above the 200. It did close above the 200, but that is something to pay attention to. These top 3 are ETBs, which means they're easy to borrow. So if the market does what it always does and goes the opposite direction of what I want it to do for these stocks, then you can short them. So it is a cup and handle on hourly. Watch for resistance. Oh boy, I'm having a hard time selling around, and I forgot to look at resistance. So resistance is going to be around $4. Around $4. So just make sure it breaks 350 as well. Let's take a look at MCRB. So the stock is holding its highs on the day. You can see this double bottom, and it's also kind of like a big cup. And let's look at the hourly. You can see that it's just riding the 9 up on the hourly. And it's in an up channel. But I like it. And it's got resistance at the 200 SMA. We've got double bottom on daily. Watch for resistance around 200 SMA. Now let's take a look at TTOO. So this one had a bullish moving average cross. It is above the 50. It filled this gap here. Let's look at... So it's staying above the moving averages on here. You can sort of see this cup and handle on the 5-minute as well. So we'll have to wait and see what this one does, but we have a cup and handle on 5 minute. If price can break 150, watch for 200 SMA resistance. You can see there's kind of a theme in this 200 SMA on all these stocks. Seems to be resistance right now. AKTS. So you can see cup, this funky handle. Got to watch out for 739. You can also see cup, handle. So it's cup and handle on the hourly and the daily chart. It gets above 739, you've got resistance up to 765. Okay, so it is cup and handle on daily and hourly. Price can, I guess, watch for resistance. Man, I'm having a hard time spelling today. Watch for resistance around 739 and 765. Let's look at MARK. So it is reversing. It's going to run into this. If it can get above this 50, then it's got room all the way up to that 200. You can see the bull pennant or flag on the hourly. Normally I wouldn't put something with it like this, but this is like a perfect bull flag. And if it can get above that, then it's got room to go. So it's a bull flag. It's got to get above the moving averages. 74. Let's see. Bull flag on hourly. If price can get above moving average resistance, watch for 200 SMA resistance on daily. Let's take a look at club, CLUB. Let's see, the moving averages are pinching into a bullish crossover. Let's take a look at the hourly. You can see it was like a bull flag. It is still above the 9. So it's gonna, if it can get above the 208, it's got room up to this 200 again. This 200 is very important on like everything. Bull flag-ish, oops, foul. Bull flag-ish on hourly. If price can get above 208, watch for 200 SMA resistance on daily. So that's going to be the day trade watch list. Now let's go to the swing trade. So I picked X for a bearish play on this. You can see it's just been heading down, sort of in this falling wedge. And it is breaking down out of it. It might want to come back in and test that. Yeah, it's like right at this. So if it breaks below this 1033, then it has got room all the way down to 615. So I like it for a bearish play, and it seems like everything's pretty much bearish right now. So price falling out of falling wedge. Watch for support around 615. And then I picked a gold stock in GDX because with the market potentially going bearish, gold is going to shoot up. So I liked what I saw. And you can see this cup. It's a little cup on the daily. So if we go look for resistance, if it gets above this 32.14, it's got resistance all the way up to almost $38. So I liked that. And you can see like bull flag a little bit. A teeny tiny one. And gold is going right now. So small cup with bull flag on, oops, flag on daily. Watch for resistance around 32.15 and 38. Just say 32 even. So around $32 and $38. So that is going to be our watch list for tomorrow. We'll just have to wait and see what happens with the market. Could go up, could go down, nobody knows. So if it's too messy to trade right now, then you can come right over here to bullishbears.com. If you have not yet subscribed, you should. It is a great deal. We offer our monthly and our yearly. Our monthly does have a 14-day free trial. Our yearly, if you sign up for it, you're stuck with us for the year because you get access to our next level training library. It's got a lot of good stuff in there, especially with options. And if you trade stocks and you're having a hard time with that right now because of how insane the market is, options are a great way to make money in a market like this because you've got a million different strategies, whether it's spreads, strangles, straddles, condors, butterflies, calendar spreads, bear put spreads, bull call spreads. Like there's so much that you can do. So you can make money no matter what is going on, which is why options are my favorite thing to trade. And we also have our trade rooms, which it is now official. Come September, I will be in there live streaming 1 day a week. Kind of nervous about that because I've never had to live stream before. It's always easy to potentially find plays after the market is over. It's going to be a whole different animal for me to talk to people live, but I'm taking 1 day off of work a week and I am going to live stream because I love the stock market. And we have our alerts over here. So if you don't like the fact that we don't give entries and exits to penny stocks because we're not stock pumpers, then you'll like our real-time trade alerts because they're the higher price stocks where you can trade both stocks and options and you get entries and exits for those. Then we have our lists over here. So if you don't like what you're seeing on our day trade or our swing trade and a stock sector is running, we have a bunch of stocks on our pot stock: Bitcoin, oil, gold. The gold list might be a great one to look at right now. And then we have all of our courses. So if the market's too crazy and you just don't want to deal with it and the potential loss that comes with the up and the down, come take our courses. And if you've already taken them, do a little refresher, brush up, and you might learn something you forgot, or I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. And then we have our tools over here. So we do show you our morning gaps on our trade ideas. If you are a member, then you get access to a live stream of our trade ideas while it's going on during market hours. Then we have other scanners that you can look at. We've got different tools, different brokers. We have some free ones, some no PDT ones. We have some apps you can trade from. We got some books you can read. And if you head over here to our blog, this is something that you might not take advantage of, but you really should. We've got hundreds and hundreds of articles. We've got 44 pages worth of articles with reviews, with day trading, penny stocks, swing trading, options, and they have lots of fun memes in them. So it's a great, our blog is really, really a great tool to use or to utilize, and it's probably underutilized because people like video and whatnot and who wants to sit there and read, but it literally takes like 5 minutes to read a blog post and you'll get a lot of great information. And I know this because I wrote most of them, but now we have some new writers helping me out. So become a member. It's totally worth it. And I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to go eat some dinner. I made some fettuccine alfredo last night. That's pretty good if I do say so myself. So I'm getting really excited to eat some leftover pasta because I eat pasta all the stinking time because apparently I'm Italian and I love pasta, even though I'm not. I've never taken a DNA test, so I don't know because I am like part European, part Middle Eastern. So you just never know. But anyways, before I start rambling, become a member if you aren't already, and then you can talk to me in real time during live market hours starting in September. Very exciting. Hope you all have a great night, and I will see y'all later.